VPS Fuel Rail and Injection Cleaning Service. The VPS Fuel Rail and Injection Cleaning Service is designed to reduce or eliminate deposits on or in the following components of the fuel and air induction system of a vehicle: fuel rail, fuel injectors, intake valves, combustion chamber. Prior to performing this service, ensure to check the following. Do not install product until visual inspection for any leaking fluids is completed. Vehicle must be properly ventilated. The vehicle must be outside or connected to exhaust hose or extraction system. Do not perform any part of service if the vehicle is making any under-hood noise such as knocking or tapping. Always keep canister in upright position when pressurized or when fluid is in the canister. Always use safety glasses when working on fuel systems. Always cover connections with shop rag when loosening. Never smoke or work near open flame when servicing fuel systems. Do not perform if vehicle shows signs of potential overheating, such as low coolant level, weeping radiator, leaking hose clamps, etc. Engine needs to be at full operating temperature. Caution: before disconnecting fuel lines or connecting cleaning kit, the fuel pump must be disabled and the fuel lines depressurized. Step 1. Fuel injection and rail cleaning service. To disable the fuel pump, refer to specific make and type system information. Some vehicles use a low pressure pump in the tank as well as a high pressure pump mounted in line. Both pumps must be disabled. After disabling fuel pumps, start and run engine until it stalls and will not restart. Depressurize fuel line. Refer to Valvoline Professional Series Fuel Rail Installation Manual, part number VPS-0229, to determine correct method for connecting to the fuel system. Make sure to use appropriate adapters when connecting to the fuel system. When vehicle fuel pressure is known or specified by manufacturer, set cleaning pressure 2 or 3 psi less than specification. Start engine and idle. Engine RPM may be increased during cleaning process to a maximum of 2000 RPM if engine runs poorly at idle. As cleaner is being used, pressure will begin to drop. Turn control knob clockwise to maintain the correct system pressure. Keep engine running as long as possible. After engine stalls, let cleaner sit in the injection system for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help loosen any remaining deposits. Turn control knob fully counterclockwise before removing the canister from the regulator assembly. Depressurize gauge regulator before disconnecting from the system. Reconnect all fuel lines, vacuum lines, and electrical connections. Reactivate fuel pump by turning the key to the on position without starting the engine to bring fuel pressure back to specification. Start the engine and let it idle for several minutes to remove air from lines. Make all final checks for any leaks. Step 2. Fuel injector cleaning tank additive. Add fuel injector cleaner to gas tank. Make sure gas cap is tight after installation. Loose caps can cause check engine light to come on. After service is completed, inform the customer of the following. Expect discharge, white smoke from exhaust for the next few kilometers. This is normal. Operation may be rough until all materials burn off and the powertrain management system has readjusted idle and fuel curve. This may exist for several kilometers of operation. If fuel tank is less than half full, customers should fill up tank. Use at least one full tank of gas before putting any additional fuel additives into the tank. May have strong odor up to 20 minutes after service. On vehicles equipped with OBD2 computer systems, the intake cleaner may trigger misfire codes. Codes can be cleared by removing the powertrain control module fuse or by disconnecting the battery for 5 minutes. Note: if the battery is disconnected, clock and radio sets will be lost, anti-theft systems will be affected, and the vehicle will need to relearn some engine functions. It is recommended that all fluid be drained from the canister and hosed before storing. This concludes the training on the VPS fuel rail and injection cleaning service. Should you have any further questions, please contact your Valvoline representative.